Good morning and welcome to my presentation about Alliance in Motion Global. Today I will explain to you how you can join and earn in this business. So let's start. There are 3 R to success in AIM Global. First, you have to register, then you have to reorder, and then you will recruit. To register in AIM Global, you have to buy our global package worth 41,888 Naira. But we also have another package which is 36,000 Naira only. When you buy this package, you will receive the product from Nature's Way, USA. At the same time, you will also receive folder for presentation, a video CD, ATM, and ID. And you will also have your own web page. You can log in using your own username and password to monitor all of you and your group's successful sales transactions. Then, you will also have a 25% lifetime discount. And you will enjoy the 6 major ways to earn in AIM Global. After registration, you will have an online account like this. Then you can start earning. We have 6 ways to earn in AIM Global. First is the retailing. Then we have the direct referral bonus, the matching bonus, the unilevel income, stair step, and royalty income. So let's take a look one by one. In retailing, we can earn 25% from the products we sold because we have discount as members. For example, this is our flagship product. The amount is 5,108 Naira, but for members, it is only 3,831 Naira. The next way to earn is through the binary program. So, this is the binary table. You can see this when you log in into your account. So, the binary table has left and right sales group. So, all you need to do is to bring in people. Let's take a look. Direct referral bonus is 1,900 Naira for every personally sponsored distributor and a bonus of 5,700 Naira for every pair or match. Remember, left plus right equals 5,700. So, this is how we should earn in our binary program. First, we should bring in at least 2 people. For example, you have invited Adam and he also purchased the package, so you will receive a commission of 1,900 Naira, direct referral bonus. You registered him in the left side, and the next person, if you registered her in the right side, you will again earn 1,900 Naira and a bonus of 5,700 Naira. Remember, left plus right equals 5,700. So you will earn a total of 9,500 for this transaction. 2 people joining your group. The next thing to do is teach Adam and Eve to duplicate us. So they need to invite also 2 people to earn 9,500 Naira. Okay? So this time you did not invite the 4 people, but always remember 1 left plus 1 right equals 5,700, and since you have 2 new members on the left and 2 new members on the right, you will still receive 5,700 from the invites or the referral of your new members. Okay, so the total income here would amount to 20,900 Naira. So let's take a look at what we call the power of 2 system. A projection in 1 year. For example, we do this monthly. Remember, in your first month, you will invite 2 people. You will receive a pairing bonus of 5,700 Naira. In the second month, the 2 people will invite 2 people. So, 2 by 2, you have 4 new members. 2 pairs, you will receive 11,400 for pairing bonus. Third month, the 4 people invite 2 each. Total is 8 people. you have 4 pairs, 4 left and 4 on the right, 4 pairs. Every pair is 5,700, so you will receive 22,800. Fourth month, it doubles, okay? And when we continue this, in a matter of 1 year, you will have an accumulated total income of 10,573,500 naira just in 1 year. So you can become a millionaire in just a matter of 12 months or 1 year. Even if you can reach 10 million, just imagine just the 10% of 10 million, you can have a 1 million naira in just a matter of 1 year. Okay, so another income is what we call uni-level sales bonus, where you can earn 5 to 10% every time your members buy product in our office. We also have stair-step plan. It means that every product has a point, and if the point is accumulated, you will increase your position. You will become silver executive, gold executive, and global ambassador. And the percentage you will earn from the purchase of your members increases also from 10% to 30% as global ambassador. Then we also have royalty income. If your members become global ambassador, you will have 2% of all their groups. Okay? And last but not the least is we have inheritance income, where we can give our account to our next generation. We can pass this to our family and to our children. So join us now. What you will be 5 years from now is credited to the result of what you will do today. We wish you good luck, success, and I hope you will be part of this amazing company. You will become a global ambassador, a millionaire circle, and a leader of the expansion in the African nations. Okay, happy business day.